Welcome to Sweet Talk SLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. And for today's video, we're doing another unboxing. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Also, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's get started. That's right, another unboxing. I'm sorry. My name is Krystle. I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist and I have a problem. I buy too many things. And, you know, sometimes I want to unbox them because I love unboxings. So, today's unboxing is from Talk It Rocket. This heavy box right here. Now, if you've never heard of Talk It Rocket, that's okay, neither had I. I learned of Talk It Rocket through my speech language pathologist assistant who had one of their items. I was like, whoa, what is that? That reminds me of another speech therapy item that I used to own, that she and I both used to own. And I took a look at it, you know, to find the name. I found Talk It Rocket, and it's been on my wish list for quite a while. It is on the pricier end for me, I feel like, but they were running, I don't know, a 10% off sale for Better Hearing and Speech Month. So I decided to take the plunge. And so I got this big old heavy box. I've been holding it here, waiting to unbox it together with you. Let's open up this box. Let's see what's inside. I don't even remember what I ordered. I do have a problem. It is what it is. Okay, we have it out of the box. Oh, I can tell you exactly what I ordered. I ordered the Blast Off Board Starter Kit and the Blast Off Board Language Set. It comes with some inserts talking about, I'm sure, some of their other products, but I'm sure you don't care about that. You probably want to see what it is I bought. Okay, so I believe this is the starter set. Their Blast Off Board Sound Sequencing Set, okay? It says the Blast Off Board Starter Set can be purchased separately or in conjunction with Level 1 and or Level 2 29 sets of magnetized pictures and overlays. Wait, I bought this because I thought it didn't come in here. Okay, well, let's talk about it. It is what it is. Okay, so here is a board. It's a magnetized board that has shapes and colors on one side and an image on another side. And it comes with some overlay pictures that, let's take one out of here. So you're able to match the item to the color. You see, here's the fish. And there's a fish on this side. And then you can use your finger to poke it out. So very nice board. So it says that it's a starter set for sound. So it includes the fish, maybe like you know, the sounds that they make, like a bubble sound, moo, a cow, car, monkey, wheel, house, bike, bunny, dirty owl. Or maybe because they're more simple words. I'm not sure. I didn't read into it enough. But this here together retails for $34.99. So $35 for the set. It is rather durable. The one that it reminds me of, and I should bring it out, it's in my car, is falling apart. So this is the Blast Off Board Language Set because I couldn't just buy one thing. I needed more. And so this language set contains 10 sets of magnetized pictures and overlays of different categories for language learning. The set includes farm animals, actions, vehicles, go, getting dressed, body parts, wild animals, adjectives, busy on the bus, busy at home, food, actions in the kitchen, outside chores, activities, and playtime. So small pieces not intended for young children. We recommend direct supervision by an adult at all times. Oh, it is an overlay. Okay, so let's see what else. Some instructions, what it is, the items inside, data tracking, so some tips and tricks it looks like. So let's pull one of these out. So the first one is farm animals in action. So you can see you may have to pop out the circles And then I believe you lay this on the original board so that it is sturdy, and then you have multi-use for it. So let's see. So let me pop these out of this one at least. So it's the same consistency as the magnets, but this is the original. You lay it over. Okay, takes some finagling to get it on there, but here we go. And then, just like the other one, you have magnets associated with this theme. So I took out the duck that's here in the front, and then you move it here. So pop it out. Cute. Okay. I don't know how I like the way this is on here, but I like that you can use it for more than one theme. So I don't know. We'll have to do a review on this later. So let's go over all of the boards so you can see them. So this is the farm one, and here are the rest of the farm animals here. Oh, sheep eat, cow sleep, horse jump, turkey walk, goat kick, cat drink, chicken peck, pig sit, dog run, and then duck was fly. You can see it on the floor. I'm not gonna grab it. Okay, we have vehicles, go. So I'm sure you can see what the targets will be. Boat in the water, helicopter in the sky. Oh, I don't know, go, maybe prepositions is what it meant. Train on the tracks, car on the road, balloon in the air, bike on the road, motorcycle on the road, airplane in the sky, bus in the parking lot, tractor in the field. And so it does pertain to the image of where they are at. We have getting dressed. And we have boots, hat, mittens, shirt, coat, pajamas, shoes, shorts, socks, pants. We have body parts. How cute is this little monkey? This is maybe my favorite so far. We have mouth, teeth, and tongue with this one photo. Hair, ear, eyes, tail, toes, foot, leg, knee, nose, tummy, belly, hand, fingers. Did we talk about the AC? I live in Texas. We're under an extreme heat advisory with highs up to 105. So AC is on and off all day. I'm not turning it off. Next we have, oh my gosh, these little circles are popping out everywhere. I'm gonna have a hot mess in my office. Wild animals, adjectives. So here we go, very cute. We have fierce roaring lion, big elephant, wet heavy hippo, striped zebra, light fluttering butterfly, slow turtle, little bug, tall spotted giraffe, fast spotted cheetah, long alligator, sharp teeth. Woo, lots of adjectives. We have busy on the bus. And with that we have, I guess, vocabulary: hammer, wrench, fix, screwdriver, wiper, engine, motor, horn, light, driver, steering wheel, wash, water, door, window, kids, seats, wheel. Probably my least favorite so far, but that's okay. Busy at home. How cute. Hang up clothes, take a bath, wash your hair, brush your teeth, dry with a towel, wash clothes, put a bandage on, owie, throw in the trash, change a diaper, go potty, pee, poop, brush your hair. I like this one. I really do. I am a home health speech language pathologist. I work a lot with ADLs. For home health, we have to prove that a child really has a significant need for speech and language therapy. And sometimes adding daily living skills is really helpful. We have food actions in the kitchen. Another one that's pretty good for that. We have cut pizza, cookies, cookie jar, bake, oven, hot, bite, apple, eat, plate, crackers, eggs, fry pan, boil, pot, stove, toast, bread, bowl, peas, spoon, scoop, fridge. I spell fridge differently, F-R-I-G, but okay. Cold, juice, milk, carrots, cheese, peel, banana. Outside chores and activities. Okay, let's see. We have mail a letter, throw the garbage, recycle, sweep the sidewalk, rake the leaves, water the flowers, knock on the door, write in the car, saw, cut the tree, feed the birds, push the stroller. All right, then we have one more. Playtime. That's fun. And with that, we have choo-choo train, truck, bus, car, wee, swing, baby doll, bottle, blanket, sleep, bed, puzzle, pieces, in, out, book, read, net, ball, throw, blocks up, fall down, light on, off, bubbles, blow, slide down, paint, brush, paper. And I think that's it. So very cute. Did I tell you the price of that one? I don't think I did because, yeah. So the overlay set retails for $129. I feel like if I don't say it out loud, I didn't really spend that much money. $129. It's expensive. These products are expensive. They do have other overlays that you can add on, but I figured that this language set would get me far because I can integrate speech sounds if I need to without getting the speech sound set. I also liked that it had, you know, like body parts and animals and, you know, the house and things of that nature, because I feel like I could get far with this. So I saved 10% on both of these products. So I saved a whole $16. And with shipping, I spent $155 for both of these. Now I don't particularly care for this. It's kind of flimsy, and I may change out how I keep these items. Maybe go to my trusty Amazon mesh zipper bags that I talk about all the time. Like these. So I may find a way to do that. But I do like that it's small. It seems like I have a lot of stuff, and as a travel SLP that works in home health, it seems like it's going to be a good fit. So I'm hoping for that because these are really expensive, but I will link Talk It Rocket down below. And I would love to know if you own any of the Talk It Rocket products. They have other things, but the blast off boards were the ones that I really liked. I'll try to put a picture of the board that I was talking about that it reminded me of somewhere up here. And yeah, that's all I have for now. Are you tired of unboxings yet? I hope not, because I love unboxings. My wallet is tired of unboxings because, yeah, not fun, not fun. But yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Share it with your friends, you know, your other SLPs, some parents. I'd really appreciate it. But thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.